All right, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be installing a cabin air filter. I got it for free with my purchase of Valvoline oil and an oil filter. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. This is a 2000 Subaru Outback. It's also the same until a 2004 Outback, and also a 2003 to 06 Baja. It's going to be the exact same because they're so similar. So tools you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and then a 10 millimeter socket. Doesn't matter what size ratchet. And also one of these couldn't hurt. It is a clip puller. I don't know if that's the official name, but that's basically what it does. And then this is like just in case if stuff doesn't want to agree. Anyways, I'm going to get stuff out of the glove box and then I'll start showing how to do it. So as I was cleaning out the glove box, tucked way up there was this receipt from Home Depot. And I got the car in 21 to 22, I think. This is 2013, so this is one of the previous owners more than over 10 years ago. And I mean, this thing feels very old. So very cool to see. Interesting to me, not really for anyone else though. Okay, so we're gonna start out with pulling this inwards, and then the whole thing will drop down. It's pretty easy. Start with one side though. Be the best way to do it. Oh man, that's embarrassing. Okay, my stand doesn't really want to work, so I'm gonna have to do this by hand, or hold it by hand. So that little tab, which is right here, goes in to the dash. So you need to pull it this way, and then it'll pop out. Same thing with the other side. It's just deeper in there. And this whole thing will sit downwards. I'll show you right after. Okay, this is very tricky. Hasn't been done before, and these things are getting old, so felt like I was gonna break it. But anyways, these are what they look like. They're little square bits that go into here. Dang, that was a little scary feeling at first. So what you're gonna need to do is hit these Phillips screws all up here, all along down here, and there's one down there, I believe. Same thing over here. And then there is this 10 millimeter, which it looks like it's a Phillips, so you probably could have used one of them. Same thing on the other side. And then excuse me, dang, that was gross. Should be a bulb somewhere up here. I don't see it. I think this is it. Yeah. But yeah, so let me hit all those and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, that 10 millimeter screw, it actually came out super easy. What is that? Oh, there's the bulb right there. That's what you have to pull out. I think you just pull it out. I'll figure that out in a second. But anyways, as you see, this thing is starting to come down. But yeah, the 10 millimeter head that I saw, the flat Phillips does work actually. So you can just get it in there and then loosen it up. Go figure, because it's literally on there for a reason. But also one thing I forgot is you see this little cut right here. This whole thing is connected, and this has to come out too. I'm not sure if I have to. And maybe I can just take this off without taking all this out. Hopefully it just goes that way. If not, you might have to actually take the center console out too, which I'm not looking forward to that. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Okay, so I got every other one out. Oh shit. The one you need to get out is that. You just use a Phillips head and unscrew it for a little bit, and then you use that little tool and pull out the rest of the way. Okay. So this is it. you just unscrew it for a little bit, and then you can literally grab it by here and pull it out. And then this whole thing comes out. You just grab it from down here and kind of yank on it. I'd start from back here, and it pops right out. And yeah, it just comes right out. Nothing broke. That's good. Awesome. And then you just start grabbing and yanking. Oh, don't forget a screw. Also, if you get up here loose enough, you can get a free hand behind there and you twist it out. See, there's like little tabs on there, and it just kind of slips in sideways. You spin it around. Yeah. Now, this can come out. There's another thing right here that needs to come out. Gotta figure this out. Okay, I'm not 100% sure how to get that out. So instead of dealing with it, I'm just gonna leave it tucked to the side. And this is where the cabin air filter is, I believe. Or it might actually be right here. So you're gonna pull this pin out, or this connector, not a pin. Yeah, I'm looking super unprofessional right now. Damn. So you're gonna do that, and then there's these little clips right here that you're gonna have to pull out, and they're all along. Oh, this one's missing. There's one right here, here. There's a couple others, I believe. Looks like mine is missing a few. But yeah. Okay, I got the connector off. You just gotta push more towards here, and then tug for dear life. Oh, I see. There we go. So, clips right here, one right there, and one right there, and then this should come out freely, I believe. Okay, these are the little metal clips. As you can see, they're off now. Be careful, because these will fly off if you're not grabbing it tightly. Yeah, this should come out, unless there's more clips up there. Which I wouldn't be surprised if there was. That's how you know a Subaru is a Subaru. Is there a cabin air filter behind there? It looks like there is, yeah. Okay. Okay, that was really quick. Oh, man. Natty. These tabs, hold them in right here. You just push it, you pull it down, and then it comes right out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this out. Holy shit, hope there's not a rat in there. But yeah, this is where the cabin air filter sits. You just pop it on there. Easy to get to. I mean, this took me 15 minutes maybe. Putting it back together should be a lot more quicker. Should come along more quickly. But yeah, let me clear that out. Holy crap. Yeah, that's bad. Now, these cars don't really come equipped with cabin air filters. So that's how your heater core might look like. That's gross. I need a new one of those too. But good thing it wasn't that hard to get to this. Sheesh. I don't even know. I might try to get a vacuum or something. I mean, I'm just kind of flinging it on the ground, and then I'm going to vacuum this out later. I don't know if that's the best way to go about it. Probably, huh? Jesus. This is not the way you're supposed to do it. Yeah, holy crap. I don't think this is from the factory. Jeez. Okay, let me tweak on this for a little bit. Okay, this is how much I got out. I don't really want to pick at it, so I got some compressed air here. Yep. I don't know how all this stuff got in here. That's kind of crazy. With this much buildup. Okay, very weird. This comes in parts, but looking at it, there's no way to really mess it up because there's arrows indicating which way they go, and they also slide into one another. I believe this is going to go on the bottom. Man, this is a little bit trickier than I thought. I don't know why it was so complicated to me. It's easier to get this in and up because there's tabs on the top that need to go in up here. So it's kind of tucked in behind this lip. And then you slide this in from these grooves. You have to go backwards. Even though the arrows are supposed to be facing you going upwards, this one wouldn't have worked because the tab right here gets in the way of the tabs on this one, which kind of closes it out so it won't go in all the way. But yeah, now it works. I couldn't get this closed for the life of me. I was trying to use a rubber mallet too to close it, but no, it's just you need to just do it, the top one first, and then that one. You don't try to put them in connected. It's not gonna work very well. But anyways, now just pop these clips in right here, here, and somewhere else, and then yeah, just reverse installation. So much fun. That took me like, not gonna lie, 10 minutes. I got this as a nice grip because I couldn't get it out. Yeah, cars are a pain. Donut was right. Alright, I got everything back in, and there was one screw that I couldn't figure out where it goes. I mean, there's one screw down here, up here, all down there. My guess is that it's behind this somewhere, which I don't remember taking that off. I don't know. This is why people have extra parts when they're done. Like, there's no other spot that it could have been. I mean, I got them all. The ones that I saw. And there isn't any other ones that I see. But yeah, that's weird. But yeah, it opens and closes. It's kind of hard to get it off. I need to grease them up or something. But yeah, it works. Tested the air. And it works pretty good. I'm not really complaining. So, do I recommend doing this? Not really. But if you really... I mean, like, if you really want to put it in, you can. Man. This is just stressful. I did brakes the other day, yesterday, and it went pretty smoothly. But the air filter, I don't know, just that part getting stuck on getting the cover back on, and then that extra screw, I don't know. It stressed me out more than the brakes, but the brakes took way longer, and it was more effort. But it was almost more satisfying. This, you can't really tell. I mean, this doesn't smell as, it smells better. So maybe that's a plus. I don't know, I'm torn. If you get it for free, and you have some spare time, sure. But I wouldn't go out of my way and buy another cabin air filter. But at least I can say I've done it, and I know how to do it better next time. Faster. Yeah. I don't know, I'll call it win. But anyways, yeah, that's how you do it on a shit wagon. It's alright. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.